did Irfan get from his father? Now he's having some money bank. He's having some money bank. Money bank. In this money bank, now what happened? There was Irfan's birthday. Right? On his birthday, his father gave him some amount of money that we don't know what was that amount of money. But we know there were some other three people who gave him same amount of money, that is 1100, 1100, 1100, and he put that amount also in this money bank. The amount that his father gave, he also put that in this money bank, and the amount of money, that is 1100 each, he got from these three people, he also put this amount in this money bank. Now what we are supposed to find is that how much money his father gave him. Now you can see the money he got from his father and those three people he put in this bag only. It means the amount of money his father gave must be in this money bank only, right? So what we're gonna do, if we remove this amount of money altogether from this money bank, the amount will be left with will be the amount that his father has given him, right? अब आप देखो उसके फादर ने कुछ उसको अमाउंट दिया उसके बर्थडे पे, ठीक है, वो हमें नहीं पता कि क्या था, वो हमें नहीं पता उसके फादर ने उसको कितनी मनी दी, बट वी नो तीन लोगों ने उसे सेम 1100 1100 1100 दिए हैं जो उसने इस मनी बैंक में डाल रखे हैं इरफान ने, राइट? अब मनी बैंक में उसके पास टोटल है 4700। अब ये सारी मनी इन चारों लोगों से लेकर उसने इस मनी बैंक में ही डाली थी। अब अगर इस मनी बैंक में से हम इन तीन लोगों की मनी निकाल दें तो जो मनी अंदर बचेगी दैट विल बी द मनी गिवन बाय हिज फादर। वो तो वही मनी बचेगी ना उसके फादर ने दिया उसको। सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दिस। पहले हम क्या करेंगे, पहले हम इसको प्लस कर लेते हैं कि तीन लोगों ने उसको मनी दी कितनी है, राइट? दैट्स वेरी इजी टू डू। If we add 1100 three times to find the total amount of money given, 0033, it means 3300. It was given by three people, right? But total amount was what? What was the total amount there in the box? It was 4700. It means from 4700, if we remove that 3300, the left amount will be the amount given by his father. अब अगर हम इस 4700 में से ये तीन लोगों का 3300 निकाल दें, माइनस कर दें, तो जो हमारे पास बचेगा वो उसके फादर द्वारा दिया गया हुआ अमाउंट होगा ना। सो लेट्स जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट इट। नाउ द Now let's just see, it is 4700. So we have to write this 4700 first because this is the total amount. 4700 minus 3300. Now subtract it. We're gonna get this. It means this was the amount of money given by his father. It was given by father. Right? Understood? This was the amount of money given by his father. So his father gave him let's just write here. So his father gave him